guys, 51 Foxer, unboxing, new toy. Victorinox Farmer. How much? Keep that away from wife, don't let her see that. They recommended this by Bribor. And Stratton always got one.
Do you know what it is yet? New Wildstorff Mark II.
So we're going to have a go this morning while it's not raining. And the old President's kettle. Let's have a look what we've got in here. That used to be a red bag. Now it's a black one, which is better. Right, let's get it fired up. Cheating. It's a good pouch, guys. It's that mega one, Maxpedition Mega Pouch. Let it about here now. All I do is strap it to my belt. And when I'm going for a walk around once at the park, I just fill it full of dry twigs. What we call it. Another use for it, right? Try and find me something lighter now. And at last I've got a new memory card for my camera. 32 megabytes, so I'm afraid I'll have to put me for a bit longer. It should last a bit longer that. Well, ouch. Get it in. As Brian said, get it in. Get that wood in. My good mate Foggy, I've been struggling with this Windows Movie Maker. I spoke to him yesterday and we seem to have cracked it. I think, no, that's a right flame, that is. Jesus. You see all this gas coming out of this thing now. Yeah. It's alright, that is. Let's half get going. A few more bits in and then we'll put that on. There we go, lads, that's a right flame, that's unreal. see what Brian means though, you've got to keep messing about trying to get it into the bottom. On that conversion kit he's done, you can just put it in at top, no messing about with it. But I think Cody took some right flames out. You can see we're not being able to get this off. So on. Yeah, see maybe we can get a pair of gloves. First day without rain at the moment, anyhow. See how we go. Not in the last, can't see it. That's what I've got me through, 32 megabyte. Things like gigabyte is it, whatever. Memory card now for me Yuki for my camera, so it should be alright. So, we'll see how we go, boys. I've just felt the spot of rain. Makes a change. Tell you what, lads, it works well, that does. There's a right flame under it. I'm getting mad straight away now. Could need a pair of gloves in a minute. That'll be a sec and get a pair of gloves. Right, preparation, eh? Preparation. Not even prepared for it. That is quick, boys, that is. Very quick. That's unreal. That is mega quick. That's it. Need no more wood in it. Always carry a pair of gloves. Don't handle it without gloves. Better off putting my coffee in first, now. Brilliant. Dogs doodars, that is. Dear lads, but 49, well 52 quid, including delivery, but you only buy it once, lads, don't you? You only get it once. You only get it once, so why not? Don't drink. Don't take drugs. And don't go in mucky with me, unfortunately. Right guys, time for the brew. Watch out Rob, just move dog out of the way just in case. Oh look at that. Business. Dog hair in top of it as well. dry. I should look forward to your extension. Like I said, that extension work's going to work a lot better than that. And that is brilliant, that is. Hardly any ash in it at all, look at the bottom. You can see it in there, guys, can you? It all burns down, brilliant. Smashing. That is great, that. Very good. I'm impressed with that. It's smashing. I'm hoping to get out next week again for an overnighter. So I'm going to into my caravan tomorrow at weekend. So we'll see how we go. I'm getting more subscribers every day. Brilliant. When I get to 200, I want to have a giveaway, like I said before in the other video. Not be a lot, not be no special like, but maybe 3 prizes, something like that. Just draw them out of that and that's it. But I'm well impressed with that. That is smashing, that. Good investment. Very good investment. Jedi and Bribor. President's Kettle. That's the dog's neck ours is that. It's brilliant. We've had bushcraft show on fire all week. Brilliant. Pound from Carol. Pound, can't believe it. Let this cool down. Then pack it away and take it out of me and try and find a billy can that'll fit it now. I wonder if that zebra will be alright. I've got a smaller pot, GSI Soloist. Just might do actually, it might fit on there actually that. What I thought about to raise it up, we'll put a little grill on top, a round grill. Fix it on these last, that'll bring it pretty much higher up to there, and you can get more thicker wood in it. But I'm going to wait for Bribor's extension kit. What he's done, brilliant thing that is. Done the right good job with that. Isn't it great? So that's about it for this session, guys. So there's my old dog here. Oh, faithful, everywhere I go he comes. Not him, eh? He'll be coming with me next week one day. You'll see what weather's like. It's going to be nice, I think. Forecast nice for us next week. Well, it's forecast nice from tomorrow onwards. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'll be down at Caravan Wild Saturday. Monday. I might go out Tuesday night or Wednesday night. But I might go out Wednesday night, Wednesday Wild Thursday. Overnighter. Take my new camera. Not new camera, new memory card. Be able to film the fair a bit more like it, instead of just having to do a little bit and then stop it, a little bit and then stop it. So, right guys, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Cheers guys.